Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Erin and I do mostly budgeting videos, kind of like the one you're about to see here. Thank you so much for tuning in. You guys know that I have made available my May budgeting kit, so I will show you guys that because I'm going to do a flip through of my planner. So first things first, Tool notebook cover, purchased at Office Max, limited edition, but they have brought it back a couple times. Happy Planner metal discs, and inside, just for protection, I have a really old, I think this is from 2020 or 2022, Happy Planner laminated cover. So I'm just putting this in here just for extra protection for the pages. All right, so May budgeting kit. You guys have seen it. I've done flip throughs here and on TikTok, so I won't go too much into that, but I did want to let you know that June's is completely designed, but I would like some feedback if you like the same cover or if I should do a different cover every month, because I could do that. I really liked how this turned out, so I guess I was just more willing to repeat it for June, but as of July, I guess I could do something different just in case you are saving all of these in your own planner. Everything doesn't look exactly the same. So that being said, I'm going to continue giving away free budget kits every month for the remaining of 2024. I just want to make sure that everybody who has subscribed to my channel and or followed me over on TikTok has had a chance to get their hands on that. And you can either print these or you can download them, or you can download and print, or you can download and then save them electronically, and you can use something like Adobe Acrobat to create a fillable PDF, and you can use them electronically. So whatever works best for you. This is what I was very excited to share today. And I told you guys this was coming, and I'm also going to provide this to you free of charge. So if you're interested in a new monthly planner and you just want something fresh that you can hole punch, you can hole punch this for the Happy Planner, but you can also 3-hole punch this. You can just print it out and use loose pages, or like I said, you can use Adobe and you can make a fillable calendar. So this is obviously the cover. And then inside, I have this planner belongs to page, so you can put some contact information in here or not. Totally up to you. But I did a different cover page. I'm going to try and adjust this. I have my lamp up here, so it's giving weird shadows, and I feel bad because it's dark out and I don't have my natural light, but we'll get through it. So this is January's cover, and then you open that up, and then you have your month on 2 pages. So really handy. And then at the end, you have your whole lined notes section. So that is the whole thing. That's January. I don't get into weekly layouts. I'm not getting into additional pages for other information. If you are piecing together or franken planning your own planner, you can add things to this. But for the most part, I'm just giving you the outline of a nice, very clean and minimalistic monthly planner. Minimalistic minus the covers. So I'm just going to flip through so you can see the covers, because every month is the same. That is February. We have March, April, May. I'm so excited to use this. This is my personal planner, personal and home planner. June. And I'm going to mention something else. July, August, September, October. This is one of my favorites. So cute. November and December. So really adorable graphics. I'm totally in love with this, and I'm so excited to use it. But what I did want to mention is this is the June planner budget kit, and if you open this up, you also get your month on 2 pages. So you can devote this planner kit just to budgeting, just to finances. You don't have to worry about putting appointments here unless they're related to your budget. You don't have to worry about putting anything here except what is devoted to your budget system. So that's what's so nice about this, is that I did include the calendar on 2 pages. Even though you do have, you know, your yearly, monthly calendar, you can devote it for different things. And then that way things stay organized, and you have, you know, a complete system just for budgeting. You have a complete system just for your organization and planning for all your personal or work or home items and everything, dates, appointments, all that stuff that you're tracking. So that is what June looks like. And just as a reminder, it does come with all the budget pages, monthly, weekly, sinking funds, goals, all that great stuff. So this is my planner that I am going to be utilizing for the rest of 2024. And I'm not going to do constant flip throughs on my personal one because I will be writing down personal information, but I'm going to be using the budgeting kits inside here in order to be able to share those videos with you. So I do use real numbers, and I do think that that's the best way to do it. I think it makes the videos more interesting, and it also allows me to use one system and stay on track. I personally like the idea of keeping at least 2 months worth of budget kits in my planner at all times, because we do pay our bills a month ahead. So even though we are in the month of May and I need to back plan that because I've already paid the bills for May, I'm into June now and I'm paying bills for June. So that's why I need kind of 2 at a time. I like having the current and I like having the forecasted or the next month, so I can get to work on that. So that's it, guys. If you are interested in it, check out the link down below. It's the same deal as with the budget kits. All you have to do is click on it. It will prompt you to request permission to access it. I get an email, I give you instant access, and then you can download it, you can save it, you can do whatever your heart desires, and I hope it helps. So I know that I said this before, but there's so many printables out there and so many great printable small businesses, and Etsy is full of them, and I just didn't think at this point that I would be able really to compete or have anything sustainable that I would be able to sell. I just don't have the audience for it. So hopefully down the road one day I can build up that kind of audience that I can share, and I can actually create additional printables as a little side hustle, because I think that that's probably one of the most enjoyable things that I do is using Canva, and I just find it really satisfying, and I love how these are turning out. So thank you so much for watching. Like I said in my last video, you being here means more than you know in my life, and I will see you guys next time.